Most of
go.
these are 1970.
Listen to this. Listen to this.
Most of these are 1972.
This is the machine room. Did you hear the relays when I pushed the button?
Yes, I did. Most of these elevators in the small 1972 doors.
Yep.
Alright, see ya.
Enter the elevator. Got the door.
Oh, carpet and floor.
Alright, I want to know, does TJ want to boy, you watch this. It's got the old bumpers. Do you want to send it up, TJ? Listen to the motor. Beautiful old Dover fixtures.
I'm having fun with DieselDucy.
Here's TJ. Here we are at 2. This is the second floor. Now we'll go back down to 1. There's no phone in here. The alarm bell doesn't work. And you cannot get cell phone coverage in this elevator. Hi, TJ. Faxplane. DieselDucy. We will not exit the elevator.
Alright, no cell phone
Press the
coverage.
2 button. Now listen to this motor. I'm going to let you all hear the motor. Listen to this motor. There it goes, and listen. See, that's the machine room. You're hearing a dry-powered Dover elevator from 1972.
I was one of the machines and I could get the door.
And what do you say, TJ?
That's it.